This may have been the worst mistake of my life. Oh, then down there looks horrible. Why didn't I go? Alright, well, I guess we're gonna start going that way, and if I start getting rained on, I start getting rained on. It's not raining yet. Come on, just don't rain yet. Give me the time. Oh, nice. Come on. Oh man, I made the mistake. I should have went before them. Yeah, unfortunately that does not look healthy. And that is for sure coming in. Oh yeah, that's all coming in. But I don't know, it doesn't look too rainy. Dang it, man. I wanted to go ride, but it looks too poopy out. Yeah, because those, I don't know, they kind of look like rain clouds, but I don't know. Pick a lane, 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 pick a lane. Pick one, damn it, come on. No, you need to pick one. Mudwiser, how dumb. He's watching me. He does not want me to go around. I see you. I'm watching you too, boy. Man, do I not like this guy. And I want to go around him, but he's so unpredictable. Oh, you learned where the gas is. Alright, mate. This guy is not driving good. That is incorrect, sir. Now you're braking, okay? Makes total sense. Nice slamming on your brakes again. I do not like you, bruh. Man, dude, you're gonna run out of brake pads before the end of the day, Jesus. Probably stupid in the rain, but okay, that's all I wanted. Now I can go home. Fucking rain, man. Gotta ruin everything! Ah! This road. Oh, that bump. Every fucking time. Alright, well, I guess that's about as good as I'm gonna get for a vlog with this rain and shit coming in. Oh, is this skipping us? Nope, that just hit me in the face. Don't open your visor when it rains, kids. Alright, well, I guess that was it for me for today. I guess if it does clear up, maybe I can go back, but unfortunately that's all I can do is just have that little fun on the speedness right there, but that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Well, that was a fun little adventure today on that twisty road. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. This is probably going to be another short video and or
I'm going to combine this first part into two, so this outro might not make any sense if I can ride in the next couple days, but more than likely not, since I only probably got like 10-15 minutes of footage.